Hello there, I'm David Sidney. This is David Sidney Insurance Agency, and today I'd like to chat briefly about collision coverage in the California auto policy. Collision coverage, as the word implies, covers the vehicle, if the coverage exists for that vehicle, in the event it collides with something. It can collide with another car in an accident, it can collide with a telephone pole, or it can collide with a tree or a fence post. But if the car is harmed because it collides with something, then the policy will fix the car up to the value of the car. The policy will not pay more than the car is worth to fix the car. Now, this coverage is generally offered with a deductible, and in California I generally recommend either a $500 deductible or a $1,000 deductible, because in my opinion those are good price-value trade-offs for the amount of insurance and the amount of responsibility that the owner of the car would have to pay in the aftermath of an accident. Now, there is a circumstance, a couple of circumstances actually, where you would not have to pay the deductible. One is if the accident is clearly another party's fault and you make a claim to your own insurance company is likely to go to the other party, the negligent party's insurance carrier, to recover what is paid to fix your car. Under those circumstances, if clearly the other party is at fault and they have insurance, you would not have to pay the deductible. The second area where you would not have to pay the deductible would be if you have elected to take collision damage waiver coverage in California and you are hit by someone who has no insurance and they can be identified. Identified is the key word here, with at least a license plate or a name or a phone number, because it triggers the coverage that waives your deductible. In the event that your car is hit while parked and the negligent party hits, runs, and drives away, then you would have to pay the deductible, but because it is not your fault, your driving record and the cost of the policy would not be affected because of that occurrence. I invite you to get in touch with me at www.sydneyinsurance.com, SYDNEYINSURANCE, to discuss this coverage or any other questions or concerns you might have about California auto coverage. Thanks for listening.